So as mentioned in the email this video is attached to, the bullets shown in the picture collide to a fixed block. 0.2 seconds is the interaction time of the bullet with the block. If the velocity of the bullet is 250 meters per second after the collision, find the resistance of the block to the bullet. And it's my second momentum problem with bullets. I guess it's just, I don't know, close to July 4th. That's what we Americans do, is shoot guns, I guess. Anyway, the first thing I did here was draw an illustration to kind of show everything that's going on here. And then from there I was able to use our equation here, that the impulse is going to be equal to our momentum change here. And knowing that, I know that the initial momentum has to be equal to the final momentum. So the first thing that I did here was find the initial momentum, which was the momentum of the block of the bullet plus the momentum of the block. And all I did was plug in my values here for that, and I get that the initial momentum is 100 kilograms times meters per second. And I do the same thing to find the final momentum of the block using my equation of the momentum of the bullet plus the momentum of the block. And I get that the final momentum is equal to 0.2 kilograms times 250 meters per second plus 8 kilograms times 0 meters per second. And I get this out to be 50 kilograms times meters per second. And now again, if we refer to our impulse momentum equation, it is that the impulse is equal to the change of momentum. So all I did here was plug in my values for that equation. And I get that F times 0.2 seconds is equal to 50 kilograms minus 100 kilograms. And solving for F, I get that F is equal to negative 50 kilograms divided by 0.2 seconds, and that is negative 250 newtons. Now this means that the resistance of the block to the bullet is negative 250 newtons. So all I did with this equation is use the conservation of momentum to find the change in momentum. And then using the impulse momentum equation, I was able to find the force that the block applies to the bullet.